Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your screen to the HY300 projector in 2026. Now this works for both Android and iPhone. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to turn on your HY300 projector and make sure that it is ready. Now if your projector supports wireless screen mirroring, which HY300 actually does, you just have to connect your phone and the projector to the same Wi-Fi network. So here you are going to see this type of screen of your projector. So simply click on the option of Wi-Fi, or you can also first of all go to the settings and then you can look for the option of Wi-Fi network or the network setting. So after clicking on this particular option, it is going to show you all of your Wi-Fi networks that are available for the connection. So from your Android phone, you just have to simply look for that particular basically Wi-Fi which you want to connect to your projector. After selecting it, it will show that you have successfully connected it. Now on your Android phone, you just have to swipe down and tap on the option of cast or smart view. On iPhone, you can open the control center and tap on the option of screen mirroring. You need to look for the option of HY300 name in the list, and when you are able to find it, simply tap on it. Now your phone screen will show on a projector. If your projector doesn't support the wireless mirroring, you can just simply use the cable, and with the help of the cable, it will be very easy for you to basically make the connection. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.